Hello students, in the previous video we are discussing about data handling, new chapter data handling. So on that chapter already we solved first exercise, completed exercise 3.1. In that exercise I'll continue from question number 6. Question number 6, that is the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of student in a science test, okay, in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. So we need to find the following. First sub question is highest and lowest marks obtained by the students anta ಇದೆ. Highest and lowest marks obtained by the student. Okay. So very simple. Highest marks obtained by the student is 95. See, highest score among these is 95 and the lowest score is 36. Okay, lowest marks obtained by the student, that is equal to what? 36. Okay, next. So third sub question is mean marks obtained by the group. This is one group. What is the mean marks obtained by? So how to find the mean? So by finding the sum of the marks and divided that marks by the total number of students. ಈ ಮೀನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 25 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೀನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ divided by total number of marks. First find the sum of the marks. 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 30 plus 48, so on like this. Total marks 730, number of students 10. Divide 730 divided by 10. Okay, here 0 will get cancelled, remaining what we get? 73 only. What is the mean marks? Mean obtained marks is 73. Okay, next question number 7. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years. The enrollment in a school during the 6 consecutive years was as follows. So 1555, 1670 in the third year, 1750 in the fourth year, 2013 in the fifth year, 2540 and in the sixth year 2820. Find the mean enrollment of the school. Okay, find the mean enrollment of the school. Okay, how to find mean? As we know that sum of the numbers of enrollment divided by total number of enrollment ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೀನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 1550, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸೊ ಆನ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್? ಸೊ 12,348. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ 6 years. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ 6ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 12,348 divided by 3. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 20s are 12,000, 6 20s are 1,200. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 20s are 1,200. Divide 12,348 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 20s are 100 and 6 20s are 120 out of 120, 123, 620 is 120, so remaining 3 next to 34, 6 5s are 6 5s are 30, 4 carry 48, next remaining 6 8s are 6 8s are 48. So 12,348 divided by 6 is 2058. 2058. That is the mean enrollment of school during 6 consecutive years is 2058. The mean enrollment of the school is 2058. Next question, question number 8. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Okay, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಈ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The first sub question is find the range of the rainfall in the above data. You need to find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Okay. So in the day on Monday, so rainfall in millimeter is 0. On Tuesday 12.2 mm. On Wednesday rainfall is 2.1 millimeter. On Thursday 0.0 millimeter. On Friday 20.5 millimeter. On Saturday 5.5 millimeter. On Sunday, so the rainfall is 1.0 millimeter. Okay, so for this data, by using this data we need to answer the following sub questions. Okay, first sub question is find the range of the rainfall in the above data. We need to find the range. What is range? The range, so range is the difference between the highest and the lowest score or data is called what? Range. Okay, the range find out ಮಾಡಿ. How to find? Range is equal to highest rainfall minus highest rainfall minus lowest rainfall. Range find out ಮಾಡೋದು ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. highest rainfall minus lowest rainfall. So what is the highest rainfall here? So on Friday the rainfall is 20.5 millimeter. On Monday the rainfall is 0 millimeter. The highest rainfall is 20.5 and the lowest rainfall is 0.0. Okay, the difference between these two is 20.5 millimeter. That is the range of the rainfall. Next, the question number, the second sub question. What is the mean rainfall? Mean, not main. It is mean rainfall. Mean rainfall is right. Mean rainfall is, okay, sum of the rainfall recorded divided by total number of days. Okay, so in 7 days the rainfall as given, we need to find the total first. 7 ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೀನ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ total number of rainfall recorded is 41.3 millimeter and total number of days is 41.3 divided by 7 is 5.9 millimeter. That is the mean rainfall. Okay, next, what is the fourth sub question? Third sub question. Yes, the third sub question is on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Okay, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall days? The mean rainfall The mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. Okay, 5.9 millimeterಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. On Monday, the total rainfall is 0.0 mm. On Tuesday, 12.2 mm. On Wednesday, 2.1 mm. So, on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Thursday, and Saturday, and Sunday. So, out of 7 days, 5 days rainfall was less than the average rainfall. So among 7 days, 5 days, these 5 days rainfall was less than the average rainfall. Next, ninth question. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter, and the result are as follows. Okay, so the height of 10 girls are given: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, and 141 centimeters. This is what the height of 10 girls. Yes, for this data we need to answer for the 5 questions. Okay, the first sub question is, what is the height of the tallest girl? Okay, so among these two, which is the highest data? That is 151. The height of the tallest girl is 151 centimeter. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ height of the tallest girl. The height of the shortest girl, ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 128 centimeter. The height of the shortest girl is 128 centimeter. The range of the data, third sub question, what is the range of the data? What is range? Range means the difference between highest and lowest score. Okay, highest and lowest height. The highest height is 151 minus the lowest height is 128. Difference between these two is 23 centimeter. That is the range height of this girl. Okay, the range height of the range of the data is 23 centimeter. Next, fourth sub question, the mean height of 10 girls. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಆ 10 ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಹೈಟನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ 10 ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಂ. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. Sum of the height of the girls is 1414 divided by number of girls 10. Divide 1414 by 10, we get 141.4 centimeter. 141.4 centimeter. That is the mean height of 10 girls. So this is about exercise 3.1. Okay, thank you.